The rollout of regulations on Michigan's marijuana industry is being plagued by lawsuits, with the latest being a cancer patient suing Michigan over access to medical marijuana. With confusion around both medical and recreational marijuana, the newly formed Marijuana Regulatory Agency held its first public meeting to hear concerns. Fox 47's Nicole Buckman has more.
We are seeing that there are more plants in production. We have more licenses issued to growers now, which are starting to improve the amount of product that's working through the supply chain. But we'll keep monitoring that to ensure that we have adequate product in the regulated system.
In order to help those looking to get a medical marijuana license, the Marijuana Regulatory Agency has significantly decreased their processing times. Since the governor formed the MRA 7 weeks ago, there has been a 100% increase in the state operating license approval as compared to the previous 7 months.
The amount of paperwork we require at the front end has been reduced. As we've gotten more familiar with this process, now we see which documents and what pieces of the application lead to results in terms of decision making.
Those applying for medical marijuana license now only have to provide financial statements over the past year, as opposed to 3 years. The criminal history disclosure on the application has also been modified.
You still have to report all misdemeanors and all felonies, except for those that are traffic violations.
Today, some of these changes were applauded.
Things are moving a lot better now. Moving fast, people are more friendly.
But the fact that dispensaries and provisioning centers can no longer buy cannabis products directly from caregivers was found concerning.
I'm trying to cut my medication in half because it just isn't out there anymore because we were denied the caregiver system.
But regulators are allowing caregivers to sell their marijuana to licensed growers and processors who must test it before selling it to the shops.
So that option is still available.
And that was Nicole Buckman reporting. As of today, there are 202 active state operating licenses in the medical marijuana industry. The MRA says it will start accepting recreational marijuana business licenses this fall. The MRA will take the rest of the month to issue a preview of its recreational marijuana rules. It hopes to give municipalities and potential business owners guidance as they prepare for recreational marijuana applications.